Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to burn fat treadmill full guide. Begin each session with a 5-minute warm-up and dynamic mobility drills to activate glutes and hips. Keep breathing steady and focus on posture with a slight forward lean from the ankles. Aim to feel ready but not fatigued before increasing intensity, and always hydrate beforehand to optimize performance and recovery. For maximum fat burn, use interval training on the treadmill by alternating hard efforts and easy recovery. Start with 1 minute hard and 2 minutes easy for 20 to 30 minutes. Increase incline or speed gradually, and listen to your body so you avoid overreaching. Consistency matters more than one session, so schedule intervals 3 times per week and pair with strength work off the treadmill for balanced results. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear fitness tips. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with fitness goals by helping you prioritize spending on health. Check the description for the book link and other deals, then grab a sip of water, and now let's get back to the video. Steady-state treadmill sessions also help burn fat when done at a moderate effort for 30 to 60 minutes. Keep heart rate comfortable and conversational. Use one steady day per week alongside intervals, and always include active recovery like walking or gentle cycling the day after intense sessions. Proper sleep, protein intake, and consistent routine will amplify your results and keep motivation high throughout the program.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.